What's up? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are at Yellow Belly. We're about to run. I'm the first one to pull up at the track. We kind of got a late started in the night. I was sitting there for about an hour, but that's because the ambulance wasn't there yet. So, they don't let nobody run down the track unless the ambulance is sitting back there in the end of the track for safety purposes. But I'm just posted up, waiting my turn, making sure I keep my car warm. So in this video, you're going to see me racing everybody. Toward the end, my first gear starts popping out. Nasty. So I go back to the drawing board, and then I end up finding two of my bolts was loose on the transmission, so I went and tightened those up. And then my clutch was hard to go in gear, like right here you see it. My gearing is just hard to get in, so I put a new master cylinder or slave cylinder for the clutch, and installed my slicks. So that's in the next upcoming video, so hopefully you guys can watch the next one. Stay tuned, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I appreciate it. I'm your boy AD. I'm out. See you at the end. Bye. Bro? Yes, sir. All right. Thank you, brother. Yes, for sure. You want to ride with me? Come on, you want to ride with me? You're going to be stuck over there. Okay. But you'll be at the front line.
It's okay.
Let's see. My shit didn't run too good.
Oh, shit.
I ran a 10. I ran a 10.
I didn't know that. I thought they're going to announce or something that they're going to start.
No.
They did. I just saw your friend. I was like, the fuck is this?
Yeah, this is a little ghetto track over here.
Yeah, I know. I noticed that. I've seen everyone pulling some weed.
Yeah. Drag. Nigga. Look, the bikes.
Yeah. People are going crazy right now.
Yeah.
There. I was looking like, the fuck is going on with y'all?
So let's go. 200.
What's that?
I'm gonna mark my number.
Oh, I see.
Feel me? Yes, sir. All right. Next go. Oh, that Mustang, he wanna run. He came behind me. Welcome to the track, baby. You never did it before, right? You locked your car?
Yeah. So holy fuck, that BMW.
This fucking car is fast right here, bro.
Yeah, I just seen it.
Was he fast?
I've seen it's going, but
Look, Del Sol and Del Sol. Are we moving forward?
No, I don't think so, not yet.
What'd you run, bro?
I'll spin it.
Me too. What would you run? I ran a 10-4.
Oh, I did there already.
Oh, fuck. This shit fast. 6.
What is
The
A9?
fucking Mustang. That's the time. So you need to pay attention to the times. This is what road track people do. So when you read that, you're gonna be reading it by this.
Yeah, by 60 feet. How
Yeah,
long?
60 foot.
Quarter mile.
Quarter mile, exactly.
Yeah.
So my time right here on the 8th mile was 10:04. And honestly, that's look quiet.
Oh, I seen this guy. He was parked right next to me. They were smoking crazy, like crazy.
Mexico, bro.
That one sounds crazy.
Yeah, it's whatever. You probably gonna get me though. I'm a little 4-banger.
I want a fast tire, so.
Already. Let me get one more.
Your phone is ringing.
V6 he got.
Holy shit, that ain't no V6.
But my tire's caught.
Yeah.
I think because you're sitting here. No, because that tire always spins.
Oh.
So that's why I wanted to bring you.
It's more like weight.
Yeah, I wanted to.
Well, yeah.
Oh no, the Honda's on my side.
Oh. Oh, the
You want to try right lane this time?
What?
You want to try right lane this time?
Oh, yeah.
Because we were always on left lane. You want to try right? Catch my gauges. Go down a little. Go down.
It's catching your gauges. It's just
And the
showing
window.
part of your face.
Because I know he's gonna whoop the fuck out of me. He about to whoop my ass, bro. You ready to see some ass whoopings?
Fucking turbo. He's crazy.
Dude, we gotta get this Honda, bro. He about to spin.
Let's switch that. It looks like it's gonna spin because you see his tires.
Yeah, he don't got slicks.
Yeah, he got like his tires looks like they have grip.
Watch how fast this big shit is, bro. Honda showdown, baby. Ready? Ready?
Start.
Damn it! Alright, bro.
How much right now you're at? How did you run?
Oh yeah, here. Check me out. Can we show the camera? What did we get?
10-2.
Ah, damn, we spun. We spinning.
Yeah.
I was spinning.
Yeah.
The other one was 10-0. So I'm between 10
And 10.
and 10-2, 10-3. Bro, nigga, that's my goal, bro. I need. So
As soon as I hit third gear, I felt that.
nigga,
That was it.
nigga, I was like, ah, he gone. And nigga clocked out, he gone. Damn.
Even though I like it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Sound good. But it's all motor. You can't be all motor.
It's all motor. Let's go. Yeah, so I already got the ramp. I already got the. like not catch.
I felt like that.
I felt like it jumped out of gear.
Yeah, I felt like it just went neutral.
I swear I broke the axle right there.
Oh shit.
I thought I broke the axle. That's what it felt like. At least I can get my time. There you go. Yes, sir.
No dog tonight?
Nah, bro. I left him at the house.
Dang.
Next time I come, I'm gonna bring him.
This B20?
Yeah, B20 and JDM.
Hell yeah.
But everybody's beating me. Fuck, man. I need the VTEC
VTEC,
head,
no
bro. No VTEC.
just
I
a
got
straight up
the GSR head at the house.
Hell yeah.
I need to put it on.
Damn, I like that shifter. That's dope, dude.
Yeah, it's the new one. It minuses one of the linkage.
Hell yeah. And is that a strain gauge or is that a button?
Yeah, it's supposed to disengage first and reverse, but I took it off.
Oh, hell
I
yeah.
just, because I don't like it.
Damn.
Yeah. But, man,
This thing's
damn.
clean. I like the carbon.
I did that. I did it too, myself.
Damn.
I laid the carbon fiber, then I put the resin.
Hell yeah.
It's a nice, and over here too.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Hell yeah.
I'll let you. Yeah. Alrighty, here we go. We about to pop out of first gear. Bam, popped out. Hit it again. Bow. Man, that transmission and engine is just rocking itself and popping the transmission out of its own gear. So, but that's okay. We already took it back to the shop. I already put some thread lock on 2 of the bolts for the T-bracket in the rear. Again, so I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully y'all can watch the next one. We got more stuff installed, slicks and everything. So, see you on the next one. I'm your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.